Check this out. Man, that is nice. What's going on, you guys? Uncle Jesse here. I'm crazy excited to be showing you guys two amazing Mandalorian helmets. That's right, two different Mandalorian helmets. One Boba Fett, one the Mandalorian from the Mandalorian TV show. And that makes two badass intergalactic bounty hunters. Speaking of intergalactic bounty hunters, did you know that all Mandalorians use the Ridge Wall to safely store their credits? Well, that might not be entirely true, but today's video is sponsored by the folks over at The Ridge. The Ridge Wallet is a lightweight, sleek, and industrial wallet that easily fits in your front pocket. Say goodbye to those old, worn-out George Costanza-looking wallets that I know you're embarrassed to carry around. It's available in over 30 colors and styles, including carbon fiber and burnt titanium. And I'm personally rocking the titanium gunmetal option because it is so smooth. Get 10% off your order today by using the code Uncle Jesse at checkout, along with free worldwide shipping and returns. Just head on over to theridge.com/Uncle Jesse. And again, make sure to use the code Uncle Jesse at checkout to get 10% off your order. Thanks again to the folks over at The Ridge for sponsoring today's video. So first up, this is the official Hasbro Toys Legendary Series, or this is the Black Series, I think it's called. Black Series, their Star Wars series. This is their Boba Fett helmet. I pre-ordered this the day it was announced over on Hasbropulse, I think back in July. It's almost a year later, and I'm finally now received this helmet. It retails for $120. You can find it over on Amazon. You can find it on Hasbropulse. Probably a bunch of different places. GameStop, Target, Walmart, who knows. I'll have some links down below, more than likely affiliate links that help out the channel, so thank you very much. By the way, the first thing that I noticed about this was that it seems really small. The box is crazy small compared to a lot of the other Hasbro Pulse or Hasbro replica helmets that they've been selling over the past few years. But typically the boxes are much larger than this. Very nicely designed though. Right off the bat here is the communicator, or is it the communicator, or is it like a lens rangefinder? I think it's a rangefinder, that's what it is. Man, I can't believe how well this fit into this. I can explain why the box is so small. It's because there is almost no packaging whatsoever inside of this. There's no padding, I mean. Typically, these are housed in a lot of cardboard or other material to help keep them protected. It's literally just a really tight fit cardboard box around the helmet. So hopefully it doesn't arrive damaged for any of you out there. Let's bust this open. Man, this looks nice. Check this out. Man, that is nice. Holy smokes, that is really, really dang cool. What's really wild is all of these Hasbro series helmets here, their props all have internal details. I mean, even when I 3D print helmets, there's never internal details that go along with any of the replica props because no one ever sees them. And they're even like the little padding on the inside here, it's hollow, not foam, little rubber silicone. It's got to be rubber there, so it's kind of soft. It would feel like it might be soft when it rubs up against your head. If it does, there is a head adjustment band here, so you can make it a little bit wider or as narrow as needed. A little interested to see how this will fit. Yeah, on my big melon here, here's my chin is hanging out the bottom. Pretty sure that's not supposed to be how this works. Cool. The little headband there just pops right out. So here I should be able to now more easily adjust this to, actually, that actually fits pretty good. Maybe I just needed to strap it down to my head a bit more. This would be just interesting to wear as it is. Yeah, I need to pop this off. There we go. I swear I know how to use these things. I swear. All right, and this takes one AAA battery to power this up. All right, and here it is. This thing is just, I'm super impressed with this. Just really impressed with it. Let's get it on here. All right. That is really freaking cool. Here we go. Boom. See that lights up there. On the flip side of this, I'll try and get a separate camera shot of this, but I can see that it's got some sort of a light up display as well. It just looks like sort of an acrylic etched display that's going to light up for you while you're wearing this. One thing to note, I'm seeing this clearly right now. As I'm talking, it is fogging up like crazy while I'm wearing this. Just something to keep in mind if you're planning on wearing this to cosplay with. The paint job on this piece is just amazing as well. All of the weathering that they did here, I can't tell. It's not stickers that they've done. Actually, it might be some sort of adhesive sticker here because I can actually see some bubbling in certain areas. So it might have been some kind of sticker or vinyl decal that was applied to all of this to give it this visual look. It's got that nice dent here in the helmet, as you can see from the movies. But again, the weathering effect that they did on this just looks really, really nice. Obviously here for a $120 helmet, you really can't go wrong with, if you're in the market for a Mandalorian helmet like this. It's a fantastic piece for the price, and I'm going to be really excited to have this on display behind me. And as I mentioned, I still have one helmet that I still need to unbox with you guys, and this is an order that I placed with DragonBornJedi over on the Instagrams. He is making some crazy nice replica props over there. If you haven't already, make sure to check him out. I'll have links to his social medias down below. He also goes by Press Start Props here, so thank you for the sticker. And inside here should be a lovely, lovely, this is the wayside. No. That is not what I bought from him. What I did buy was one of his lovely casts. Oh my goodness. One of his Mandalorian helmet casts. This looks like it's gonna be awesome. Oh my gosh. This is one of his casts that he has said had some flaws in it. He was selling a handful of these that ended up having some defects in it and wanted to know if people were interested in them. And I, of course, was interested in picking up one of these. And it fits. Man, the inside of this is smooth as anything. Holy cow. I'm really excited to be able to show the progress of taking a helmet that's been cast and cleaning it up and showing you guys that actual process here versus just a 3D printed helmet and cleaning that up. I figured this would be something a little bit different, especially for folks that end up buying casts of props from folks like DragonBornJedi. This is going to be an epic one to actually finish and clean up. Man, I don't know what you're talking about. This thing looks pretty flawless to me. I guess there's like some little divots here from the cast. That's called weathering and battle damage to me. Things shouldn't be all clean and shiny anyways. This thing needs to be all sorts of beat up. It'll be fun trying to go through the process of creating a visor for this as well. So I'm gonna have to review a few different strategies around that, but I do have a variety of different paints that I can test out with this, including the actual paints that they used on the versions of the helmet that you see in the TV series. So I just wanna say thanks so much for watching. I'll have links down below to the Boba Fett helmet if you're interested in picking up one of those for yourself. I'll have a few different locations where you might be able to find that and buy it for yourself. Again, 120 bucks, I believe, was the retail price for this bad boy at the time of filming. And I'll also have links to DragonBornJedi's Instagram, as well as his shop where he offers some of these prints that you can actually buy, or casts, I should say, and some of the other things that he's offering. Amazing guy and really great work over on his socials, so make sure to give him a follow as well. Hey, thanks again so much for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed, and let me down in the comments what'd you think about the Boba Fett and Mandalorian helmet and the next steps here of cleaning this guy up. Hey, thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye now.